Best cities to visit in Europe this winter. Winter in Europe brings a unique charm, transforming cities into magical landscapes with glittering lights, cozy markets, and seasonal delights. Whether you're after snow-dusted scenes, holiday festivities, or a taste of Europe's rich culture, winter is the ideal time to explore some of the continent's most breathtaking cities. Let TBS Global Travel guide you to the best European destinations to enjoy an unforgettable winter experience. Step into the winter wonderland of Vienna, where twinkling Christmas markets, the aroma of mulled wine and Baroque architecture captivate the senses. Visit the Schönbrunn Palace, take a spin on the open-air ice rinks, or relax with coffee and a slice of Sacher-Torte in a historic cafe. Prague feels like something out of a fairy tale in the winter. The Gothic architecture dusted with snow, along with the city's medieval charm, draws visitors from around the world. Don't miss the Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and the enchanting old town square adorned with festive decorations. Winter is one of the most romantic times to experience the City of Light. Walk along the Seine wrapped in a cozy scarf, admire the dazzling Eiffel Tower, and warm up with a hot chocolate at a local cafe. Winter sales in Paris also offer a fantastic opportunity to shop in style. For a true winter adventure, Reykjavik is your gateway to the ethereal beauty of Iceland. Discover the northern lights, explore ice caves, and soak in the Blue Lagoon's geothermal waters surrounded by snow. The magic of Iceland's landscapes in winter is truly unforgettable. Zurich is a haven for winter sports enthusiasts and Christmas lovers alike. Take a train to the nearby Swiss Alps for skiing or snowboarding, or wander through the cozy old town and visit the charming Christmas markets. Zurich offers a mix of traditional Swiss charm with a modern twist. Known as the Paris of the East, Budapest dazzles with its grand architecture and thermal baths. Visit the iconic Széchenyi thermal bath stroll along the Danube and warm up with delicious Hungarian dishes. The city's festive lights and markets add a special sparkle to the winter experience. Edinburgh's medieval streets and castle look all the more dramatic in winter. Hogmanay, the city's New Year celebration, is legendary, featuring torchlight processions and vibrant street parties. Enjoy cozy pubs, scenic winter walks, and historic sites that add charm to your journey. A city built on islands, Stockholm turns into a picturesque winter scene with snow-covered rooftops and cozy cafes. Explore the old town, known as Gamla Stan, visit the Royal Palace, and experience the joy of fika, the Swedish coffee break, as you admire Stockholm's wintry beauty. The winding canals and historic buildings of Amsterdam are particularly captivating in winter. Visit the Van Gogh Museum, experience ice skating on the canals, and wander through illuminated installations during the Amsterdam Light Festival, a true winter highlight. Rome is quieter in winter, allowing you to explore its iconic landmarks without the crowds. Marvel at the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Trevi Fountain in peace, and indulge in seasonal Italian delicacies. Rome in winter offers an intimate experience of Italy's eternal city. Ready to discover Europe's winter magic? Europe in winter is a destination like no other, with experiences that inspire and uplift the spirit. From the romance of Paris to the enchanting beauty of Prague, each city offers its own unique winter charm. At TBS Global Travel, we're here to make your winter adventure a reality. Book your flights, accommodations, and excursions all in one place, and let us take care of every detail, so all you need to do is enjoy the journey.